Good morning, Dan with Country Creek Builders. We are back in Lakeville, Minnesota. Wanted to bring you back to show you the addition that we're doing. We are at the point now where we're completely sheetrocked inside, and we are starting the siding on the outside. We're trying to get this wrapped up this month. Today is a really good day on this project. We are having the cabinets delivered, which is a big step. It's a good visual step of the progress of the job. Design Cabinets is our custom cabinet shop that we've been using for almost 20 years. They specialize in high-end, all custom cabinetry. There's no box cabinets. Some of the videos that you'll see on the production and finishing process over at Design Cabinets is really cool to watch. They do everything from raw materials to cutting all the cabinet doors and drawers to the boxes, and they do all the finishing on site. And you can tell from some of the videos that it's a very high-end finishing process that they use, and it really does produce a great quality cabinet. Today, the cabinets are being delivered. So at the very end of the assembly, you'll see where they stage all the cabinets, they install all the cabinet doors, drawers, hinges, and they do a final inspection. Once that job is complete, then they load the cabinets on the truck, deliver them to the job site. So they have a special installation crew that will show up tomorrow, and they'll start installing all the cabinets. I expect it to take 2 to 3 days to install the cabinetry. Once the cabinets are completely installed, then we'll have the Countertop company come in. They will do a measurement of all the countertops for the bathroom, kitchen, and the pantry, and they will custom fabricate the countertops so that everything is an exact fit.